Hello guys! So, today on Art Inspirations I am actually doing a collab with L and J, Chilling with the Greys. Look at how cool this is, guys. Don't even tell me that is not super duper cool. So this is the line art that he sent me, and I sent him line art for an alien drawing, and he did this incredible dragon line art. So if you want to check out his video, I'm going to put a link at the end of the video as well as in the cards up above, so be sure to go check that out. Now this, oh my gosh, I know I've said it's so cool, but it's awesome. So I am going to get started on that. I'm going to use my Uhu markers because I want to. And so we're gonna get started on that. Be sure to like, subscribe to his channel. He is awesome. If you heard that noise, that was my phone. We're gonna pretend that that wasn't there. And yeah, so be sure to like, subscribe to his channel, as well as like this video if you want to see more, if you want to see more collab videos. If you are an artist who wants to do a collab, let me know. I'm also looking for other artists to do stuff like this with. Anyway, so let's get started. Of course, what I forgot to mention was, not only will you be seeing what he sent me as I do the coloring in, I also recorded while I was drawing this, so I figured I might as well add it in. This is the alien that I drew for L and J, Chillin with the Greys. And I kind of wanted to have some fun. I didn't use any reference. I just wanted to do a kind of quintessential alien, I guess is what, at least for me, quintessential. The ones that I grew up thinking about are the ones that I grew up seeing. And I thought it would be fun to add around the edges, like the radio waves, because that's one of the things you would always think of, or at least I do. And also, you know, some cryptic language that no one's ever seen before that would be alien script of some kind. And I think that's what's so fun about this, is I always think you should do art that honestly just makes you happy, and this is one of those pieces that I just had so much fun with because I wasn't trying to do anything really specific, but at the same time I loved creating this alien character, this character who you can kind of tell there must be some story going on behind it. I used my quintessential ink pen, and yes, please be sure to go check out their channel and see how he finished doing the coloring. And now on to the coloring of his incredible piece that he sent me. I honestly love doing this. I wanted to do something that was blue, that had a lot of color to it, because I just felt like there were so many details. I wanted to really bring that out to where it really stood out, that it really had a lot of quintessential looks to what you would expect a dragon with all these amazing scales. I think the funnest part to me about doing this collaboration was just seeing what incredible art we could create, and I definitely think for anyone out there, please collaborate, do these incredible things. That is an art inspiration, to stay inspired and to be inspired by other people. It's absolutely amazing. And to finish off, I just used a white gel pen, one of my favorite things to use to just add a little bit of bright detail at the very end. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thought one of the funnest things about it was on the back side of this paper, it had the same kind of effect to it. It had that, the almost the whole design, which I just thought looked really cool and figured I might as well show it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and hit that bell notification so that you can know when the newest videos are uploaded. It helps the channel out, it'll help you know about art inspirations, and be sure to check out L and J, Chillin with the Greys as well. Please subscribe to them. Remember guys, you are incredible, you can do incredible things. Stay amazing, stay inspired, keep being creative. You're awesome.